Medicine Institute. Today we will give an basic introduction to radiodiagnosis techniques which are useful for detection to disease. Radiology represents a branch of medicine which deals with radiant energy in the diagnosis and treatment of diseases by using imaging technologies. This field can be divided into two broad areas: diagnostic radiology and interventional radiology. Diagnostic radiologists use medical images such as X-rays, ultrasound, CT scans and MRI scans to diagnose diseases anywhere in the body. Diagnostic radiology is used in neuroradiology, pediatric radiology, breast imaging, cardiovascular radiology, chest radiology, gastrointestinal radiology, genitourinary radiology, musculoskeletal radiology, emergency radiology, nuclear radiology. Interventional radiology, a subspecialty of radiology that focuses on the diagnosis and treatment of patients utilizing minimally invasive interventional techniques. These include imaging and treatment of blood vessels, angiography, biopsy procedures, cardiac catheterization, angioplasty, stents, laser treatment of varicose veins, fluid abscess drainage. Medical imaging is the visualization of body parts, tissues, or organs, for use in clinical diagnosis, treatment and disease monitoring. Imaging techniques encompass the fields of radiology, nuclear medicine and optical imaging and image-guided intervention. Nuclear medicine, a branch of medical imaging that uses small amounts of radioactive material, radioisotopes, to diagnose and determine the severity of or treat a variety of diseases including many types of cancers, heart disease, gastrointestinal, endocrine, neurological disorders and other abnormalities within the body. Most common nuclear medicine modalities used in clinical practice: single photon emission computed tomography, positron emission tomography. Radiology techniques included X-ray radiography, fluoroscopy, computer tomography, magnetic resonance imaging, positron emission tomography, single photon emission, computed tomography, ultrasound. Nuclear medicine, nuclear scans use radioactive substances to see structures and functions inside your body. Use a special camera that detects radioactivity. Nuclear scans can help doctors diagnose many conditions, including cancers, injuries, and infections. They can also show how organs like your heart and lungs are working. The heart, lungs, thyroid, liver, gallbladder, and bones are commonly evaluated for particular conditions using these techniques. Magnetic resonance imaging uses a large magnet and radio waves to look at organs and structures inside your body. Healthcare professionals use MRI scans to diagnose a variety of conditions, from torn ligaments to tumors. MRIs are very useful for examining the brain and spinal cord. MRI does not involve X-rays or the use of ionizing radiation, which distinguishes it from CT and PET scans. MRI is a medical application of nuclear magnetic resonance which can also be used for imaging in other NMR applications, such as NMR spectroscopy. X-rays are basically electromagnetic radiations which are used to create images of inside your body. The images show the parts of your body in different shades of black and white due to different level of absorption of X-rays by different tissues. Calcium in bones absorbs X-rays the most, so bones look white. Fat and other soft tissues absorb less, and look gray. Air absorbs the least, so lungs look black. Ultrasound is a very high-frequency sound directed into the body from a transducer placed in contact with the skin. In order to make a good acoustic contact, the skin is smeared with a gel-like substance. As the sound travels through the body, it is reflected by the tissue interfaces, which is picked up by the same transducer and convert it to an electrical signal. Machine process the data and form a grayscale image. Computerized tomography, and often formerly referred to as computerized axial tomography, is an X-ray procedure that combines many X-ray images with the aid of a computer to generate cross-sectional views and, if needed, three-dimensional images of the internal organs and structures of the body. Single photon emission computed tomography is a nuclear medicine tomographic imaging technique using gamma rays. It is very similar to conventional nuclear medicine planar imaging using a gamma camera. However, it is able to provide true 3D information which is then presented as cross-sectional image. A PET scan uses a small amount of radioactive material, tracer. The tracer is given through an intravenous vein, most often on the inside of your elbow. The tracer travels through your blood and collects in organs and tissues. Fluoroscopy and angiography are special applications of X-ray imaging, in which a fluorescent screen and image intensifier tube is connected to a closed-circuit television system. This allows real-time imaging of structures in motion or augmented with a radiocontrast agent. Radiology is a field in medicine that has expanded rapidly after 2020 due to advances in computer technology, which is closely linked to modern imaging techniques. Thank you for showing interest in British Biomedicine Institute's Guild Nano degree program. Hope you have gained a lot of information through this presentation. Good luck.